So, Insyang by Lino Broca noong 1976. Pinaportray nito yung urban poverty and social injustice faced by women in Manila slums or mga squatter areas sa Manila. And yun, pinapakita din dito yung feminism empowerment, yung journey from victimhood to empowerment is naging central theme ng moving ito. And syempre pinapakita dito yung resiliency and strength ng mga babae. Social injustice, syempre yung issue sa poverty, yung pagkakaroon ng abuse and exploitation. And syempre yung critique about social and economic structure na pinaportray sa iba't ibang conditions. So if I would rate this movie, I think siguro mga 9 out of 10 kasi marami kang lessons na makukuha dito.